Hi, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review some of the products that I bought from India from Sugar Cosmetics. So this brand has recently launched in the UAE and I wanted to try most of their products which I got my hands on. So here are a few products that I'm going to try. So here is their first product and the name of the product is Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in number 09 Princess Peach. This lipstick is super pigmented and very comfortable. The next product is this beautiful illuminating moisturizing primer, and this is supposed to be used under the base and it gives a beautiful sheen to the skin. It's very smooth. The next product is this Aquaholic Hydrating Primer, and this is one of their best selling. It is absolutely stunning and it is super moisturizing, best for the dry skin. The next product is from the same range, from the Aquaholic range, and this is in a stick form, easy to carry, very travel friendly. Next product is their Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. This is one of the best concealers they have and it is amazing, waterproof and good coverage. The next product is their Coal of Honor Intense Kajal and this is in the shade brown. It's a beautiful color. Next is their Born to Wing Gel Eyeliner. Now they come in a pot form which is more like a gel based eyeliner. They come with a brush, but somehow was not too comfortable with the brush because the brush was a little hard, but I must say the pigment of those pods or the kajal were intense and it was smudge proof and even waterproof. So I really like them. You should try it. They come in 5 different shades, so do try them out. The next product, which is the Grand Finale Dewy Setting Spray, is one of their best selling, and trust me guys, nothing sets faster than this mist. Try it out. Up next is their Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara 01 Black Beauty, and I am not too fond of this mascara. I think you get better ones. I just feel it just weighed my lashes down, so I can give this a pass. Next is their Contour de Force Face Palette, and this is 3-in-1, very travel friendly, very pigmented. It comes in 3 different shades. It has a contour shade, highlighter shade and a blush shade. Next up is their beautiful eyeshadow palette called the Blend the Rule Eyeshadow Palette. Now they come in 3 different shades. Okay, you can go to their website and have a look at it. I picked up the nude one and this has beautiful mix of matte and shimmers, and their shimmers are so soft. Their matte are super blendable, beautiful shades. Next product is their mini blushes. Now they come in 5 different shades if I'm not mistaken. These are super pigmented, very long lasting and will give you the beautiful sheen. Next up is their Smudge Me Not Mini Lipstick Black Set in, I think this is in shades of red, and these are beautiful shades and very important, they are smudge proof, transfer proof, and you will have to take a little more effort in removing these, but they are beautiful shades. And so these lipsticks are super pigmented. That means a little goes a long way. So please be very careful when using these lipsticks because trust me guys, it took me a lot of effort to remove them. So that's all for now. Do subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and I love you all. Take care.